Hey you guys, this course has been kind of quiet the past couple weeks and will continue to be. Basically, all you guys have due this week is your peer review by the end of the week. Then you have your final draft due of the essay the following Friday, and then your final post on the 14th. So if it kind of seems like crickets and that feels weird, that's just built-in margin for the end of this semester for people to get caught up and knowing that everyone has finals in their other classes due at the same time. So if you can just get your if you've got your rough draft into me, I'm going to my plan is to respond to that tomorrow. May have to be a little bit flexible and get those done by get my feedback to you by Wednesday instead, but should be no later than that. If you didn't get that to me yet, make sure that you do. And just make sure that you guys provide that peer review for one another by the end of the week. All right. As always, send me an email if you have any questions, and have a great week.